cable chest presses. All right, so great exercise. Probably one of my favorites for the chest, actually, on the cables. So let me show you how to get set up first. Now, I will say if your cables aren't the narrow type, if they're the wide type, that's fine. This works just the same. But to get set up, you want your cable heights to be about 6 inches above your shoulder cap. So right about there, okay? Next, get 2 handles attached. And then to get set up for the movement, interlock your hands and step on out. Doesn't matter which foot you lead with. I've got left forward, right backwards. That back foot is going to be your stabilizer. So you want to make sure that you've got a good wide base so you're stable. From your waist up, you should be leaning forward slightly, all right? Because this weight, you don't want it to be pulling you backwards as you're doing your reps. Hand position is going to be a neutral grip, just like this. Thumbs stay up. Now, the height position of the hands directly in line with the sternum, right there. Okay, so think of this kind of like a push-up almost. We're going to kind of open up the arms just a little bit outside the ribs, keeping the chest up. Now from here, just sink your elbows straight back. Now, most important part is making sure my wrist, forearm, and elbow are in a straight line. All right, mine look good. Chest up, press, contract. Just like that. The most important part is going to be keeping that wrist and elbow in alignment. I can't tell you, I've trained people on this exercise for years, and it's taken them several times to just master this. So just very closely pay attention when you're doing this, that your elbow, forearm, and wrist are in a straight line. It's not bowing out. It's not bowing in. Because if it's bowing out, then you've got nowhere to press towards. If it's bowing in, same thing, you've got nowhere to press towards. It's got to be lined up square. All right, guys, you got it. Let's get it.